In this video, I will show with you how to transfer money from Desjardins to another bank. For example, if you want to transfer to Wise, follow these steps. First step, log in your account here. Log in with your all information, guys, such your username and your password. And then this is the first step you need to do. After that, guys, look, when you log in your account, look for transfer option. Just click on transfer option. This is the first option, and then first step you need to do. After that, when you click on transfer, select transfer. If you want to do between accounts, click on this. If you want to make an international transfer, click on this case. For example, international, I will transfer on Wise account. And then, guys, this is my Wise account. After that, click, you will see this page. From this page, guys, click now. If you want to transfer now, click just now option and then select your account you want to transfer to this account. After that, when you click on two option and then write your amount here. For example, amount $100. For example, 100. This amount, for example, 100 euro. This is $100, or just for example this one. After that, click on, if you want to later, click on later this option. And then, guys, click confirm this option, confirm. So, friends, this is how you can do. It is easy and steps. And I hope this guide helpful for you. Just log in your account. And also you can transfer through apps. This job, just click on Desjardins apps. And then download this app. And then you can make a transfer in your app. Just open your app and look for the transfer option, guys, on your app. For example, this one. So it is easy steps, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video.